Dolia is a website that allows you to create ideas for brands as well as generate assets for them. If this is your first time here, my name is JI and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So I'm going to dive right into this here. I'm going to say my company name is of course Everyday AI. I'm going to go to the next step. When it comes to industry, I'm just going to say technology and IT. Let's go next step. Describe your company in a few sentences. Okay. Everyday AI aims to educate, automate, and elevate businesses to a heightened level of efficiency, both in terms of their time and capital. Everyday AI also helps everyday users of AI to learn about new tools on a daily basis. Okay, cool. I'll leave it at that and click next steps. Let's go professionals, students, and creatives. And cool. Actually, instead of students, we're going to say entrepreneurs. Cool. Primary age range of your audience, we're going to say 25 or 26 to, I'm going to go, actually, let me stick to 26 to 35. Country, let's go with United Kingdom. Why do you want to create this brand? I want to solve the recurring problem of apprehension and confusion when it comes to approaching technology that utilizes large language models. The future belongs to businesses who know how to use AI to conduct research, create communications, and automate tasks. And Everyday AI aims to be the company that provides solutions for all of these aspects of business. Cool. Okay, great. Is there a story, a trigger? Let's say the story is the story is the scale up of multiple businesses that have been able to understand and harness the use of AI in ways that are specific to them so that they can maximize their productivity and reduce need for human intervention in business processes and communications. Cool. Okay, I'm gonna go next step. What mood or energy do you want? Let's go with professional but casual and innovative. Also accessible, also no fluff, very clear, whilst using layman's terms. The energy should be a cool and confident one that is capable of distilling very complex topics and ideas into simple and easy to understand concepts. What would you like to tell your sentencing audience? I'd like to tell them that the future is already here, but it will never be evenly distributed among the population. So the key to staying ahead is to be well informed and connected. The future is, that's a key part of my saying, but it will never be evenly distributed among the population. So the key to staying ahead is to be well informed and connected. Cool, great stuff. Okay, cool. Let's go next step. Customize your logo. Logo type. Let's go with. I think a geometric logo might look too technical. I think something more minimalist. Without text should be fine. You could also have it with company initials or full company name. I think without text, so I can actually superimpose text on top of it afterwards. So what colors would I like in my logo? Blue and purple gradients that look sleek and futuristic. Okay, and let's click generate. Cool, so this might take up to 2 minutes. Let's see what it looks like once it's done. I'm actually pleased to announce I've launched one of my first digital products, which is a 7-day prompting ebook. I've called it Perfecting Prompts, and it's essentially a 7-day crash course on how you can improve your prompting so that you can supercharge your productivity. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the link to Perfecting Prompts below. I put in a lot of work into it, and in there I actually include some frameworks that I teach to global corporations. Definitely check it out. Okay, cool. So now we've got our brand identity generated. It's giving us an interesting logo. Oh, that actually looks pretty cool. I think maybe with a better background might be interesting. But yeah, AI made simple, success made daily. Nice, quite like that. Brand story: when I started Everyday AI, I saw talented people, passionate founders, designers, marketers running into the same wall: overwhelming tech jargon and confusing AI interfaces. They want to move faster, think bigger, and spend more time on bold ideas, not tedious admin. Okay, great stuff. I'm not going to read all of it, but you guys can check it out. Brand mission is to empower professionals, creatives, and entrepreneurs to discover, learn, and seamlessly integrate AI tools into their daily workflows. This is pretty good. I might actually use it. So here it's got a recommendation of sales channels. So LinkedIn, of course, LinkedIn is actually great for that. Shopify, could have our own e-commerce store. Cool. I wonder what it would be, what we'd be selling, and customer experience, catering directly to tech savvy. Okay, cool. Create engaging demos and explainer videos for products, highlighting unique features and offering limited time discounts to drive direct conversions. Okay, interesting stuff. Amazon as well. Amazon is a go-to marketplace. Okay, optimize listings with high-res images. Okay, it hasn't actually told us what we'd be selling here. I guess in any case, we could sell any sort of tech products. Got YouTube shopping as well. Visual usage charter. Cool. Color usage, typography, color palette as well. Nice. This looks very fresh. Recommended social networks as well. Information summary. Wow, this is really cool. I think you could do one of these for, like, let's say existing company or brand, or one that you want to create, and then put this all into a GPT, and there you've got like a custom bot specifically for that business and for maintaining brand identity in all your communications. So yeah, definitely check this out if you think it would be valuable to you. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure you subscribe. And if you'd like to talk to me, then head over to Jay's Instagram, where you can chat to ChatJPT, which is essentially ChatGPT combined with my way of thinking, speaking, and seeing the world. So if you like these videos, then you'll definitely enjoy having a chat with ChatJPT. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.